I had to pull over for a second because, like, what? This is so beautiful. Wow. Good morning, guys. It is 5:19 in the morning, and I am leaving to go to the airport for my first ever solo trip in a long time. I mean, everywhere I go, I'm by myself, but it's like I'm going places where I either have someone that I'm visiting or, but I've done a lot of research and I'm really excited. I'm going to Sedona. So yeah, I am on my way to the airport. I fly standby, as a lot of you guys know. I'm trying for an American flight at 8:15 and it goes straight to Phoenix. I checked and I was able to find out the loads last night. There's 33 open seats, so I should be able to make it on. There shouldn't be a problem. Okay, I just made it to the airport. It's 6:27. I just parked. I need coffee and a nap. Hoping to nap on this flight. We'll see. I just realized that everything I'm wearing matches, and I did not plan that. This fanny pack thing that I got in Austin, and it's black and green. And then, like, I'm wearing black and green. And my bags are black and green. Oh my god. So, I'm all through security. Everything's going well so far. Pro tip whenever I fly, it's something that a lot of flight attendants do, is like a kindness thing, like a kind gesture or a courtesy thing, is I buy chocolates or snacks for the flight attendants. It's always a nice thing to do. It can make your day as a flight attendant. If you're a flight attendant, I mean, you know how it is. It's always the little things in life, but so I got them a bag of Reese's, and I'm going to head to the gate now to see how the flight is looking, have them check me in and all that good stuff. So yeah.
I'm cruising at 34,000 feet. Maybe a few bumps on the climb out of here, and then once we get on top of the weather, should have a smooth ride over to Phoenix.
Alright, so I am outside of the airport now. I'm waiting for my Uber to take me to the rental car spot. It's so hot. It's like 90 degrees. He's like 4 minutes away. I like rushed out of the airport because it was so crowded and I can't stand all of that. So I like sped walk my way out of there after using the bathroom. But Wow, it is warm here and very dry. I can feel it already. Got my rental car and this little bad boy over here, this beauty. Toyota Camry. No idea what year. Not bad, not bad. I am digging this setup. It's very comfy. So I got a pre-made sandwich, some water, Chipotle chicken sandwich, one of my favorite drinks ever, Rebel drinks, Rishi chocolate with adaptogens, and some caffeine, natural caffeine, because I need more energy. I got a granola bar and these cheddar plant snacks. For those of you who don't know, alkaline water is really good for you. So I bought a thing to refill my water because I bought this before at home and I love it. And it's like, it was cold. Moment of truth. We'll try these. Cassava root chips. They don't look exactly like the picture. But they're not bad. I was like, let me go a little bit healthier instead of my usual salt and vinegar chips from late July. My favorite. Alright, doesn't look too bad. I was gonna get the veggie one, but I was like, I want more substance, and this one honestly looked a little bit better. Try not to eat too much meat if I do. It's chicken. Wow, that's actually really good. Dr. Hummus. I am going to text the owners of Airbnb that I am headed that way now. I'm gonna hop on the highway. Hour and 58 minutes. Check-in is at 3, but like they said that they're there and they're ready for me, so. Look at all the mountains already that you can see. Love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, but like, look at this view. I had to pull over for a second because like, what? This is so beautiful. Wow. So I just pulled in, the couple that lives here, they're home. So I'm gonna go in, say hi, introduce myself, and then, yeah, I gotta bring in my stuff and figure out what my game plan is for the rest of today. So here we go. There's even a little basket of goodies here. This looks like a homemade muffin. Bananas, orange, or clementine maybe? Apple, little fortune cookie. Super cute. So as you can see, I am at my Airbnb. The couple that is hosting me and another girl in one of the other rooms, they are so sweet. Gregory and Susan. I just met them. I took the tour of their house. They are so cute and so sweet. And I think I'm gonna have a good time the next few days. It's very cute, quaint little house. It's so quiet, and the scenery driving in is gorgeous. They have an area out back where like you can sit at night and look at the stars, and oh my goodness, it's also a new moon this week, so stargazing is gonna be, I am very excited. I think I'm going to go and explore the town area. I'm excited. So I just pulled off of this road that my Airbnb is off of because I can walk right up over there and get some photos. Looks like a nice little scenic viewpoint. I have one of these. Don't judge me. It helps. I had to change. Check that thing out. I was like huffing and puffing. Oh my god. The hiking I'm gonna do. I hope I can handle it. We'll see. I'm sure I will be able to. I can do it. If I did Angel's Landing, I can do this. I made it. It was a pretty quick drive. I'm at Telapakak. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's like a market shop area. The main thing is closed, but some of the restaurants inside are open, so that's where I'm going to. I am going to the Secret Garden Cafe. I had heard about it from looking stuff up in the area, and I looked at the menu before I came here and it looks really good, and I'm really excited. This food is so good. Hummus pizza and a house salad with their homemade balsamic vinaigrette. Oh my god, chef's kiss. So I think now I'm gonna head over to the airport Mesa. It's like a scenic lookout. It's also one of the energy vortexes. See if I can watch the sunset. Whew, I am so full. And also the weather right now is perfect. It's kind of cooling down a little bit. It's gorgeous. Loving it. That was really nice to watch. It was peaceful, but not as peaceful as it could have been because it was people crowded everywhere. But I mean, I kind of expected that. It was so nice. The scenery is gorgeous. Well, time to go to the grocery store and then head back to the Airbnb and relax for the night because I'm gonna try to get up early because I want to do Devil's Bridge tomorrow. You guys want to see something funny?